This is my first time watching the seasons change here, and there is no mistaking that it's truly autumn. You see it in every leaf, you feel it in every gust of wind. The colder months have definitely settled in. When people ask why I would leave my warm paradise like home to live over here, this is why. I came for the seasons that change like completely different chapters. And I came for the natural corners of the city, for the whimsical paths along the countryside, and for the perfect starting point to explore this side of the earth. Everything is just a train ride or a short flight away. So, yes, spending a year or two over here feels right, even if it costs me over £40,000 each year. From where I stand, it feels like a choice worth making. Because in a world as big as ours, it would be a shame not to wander and to explore this brief and beautiful gift of life. Yeah, I've been walking around for I think 2 hours now, so I think I'm gonna start heading back and get myself something to eat. I'll show you where I go next. So I'm about to walk all the way back over there. I think I'll just finish the path around and then I'll end up there. It's getting really cold over here, and I'm just realizing that I have no idea how to dress for the winter. I spent the longest time trying to figure out how to express my style through winter clothes, but it's so much more complicated than you think. Looking at what other people around town wear definitely helps, but I still don't know how to wear a big jacket. I mean, how big is it supposed to be? Because I see they have small sizes, but when I look around, everyone's wearing oversized jackets, so I don't know. I really don't. I got this one in a size small this time, but next time I'm buying a large and maybe a darker color so that my makeup doesn't stain. But yeah, I'm happy so far.
You still ain't got a job. I would get